Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a crispy and juicy chicken recipe. And this is buffalo chicken wings. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. Here I've taken chicken wings with skin and I've kept it on a wire rack and placed it inside the fridge for around 2 hours so that it'll get dried up a bit. Now take each chicken wing and cut all the joints, and you can discard the last small portion and place these chicken pieces on a kitchen tissue to get rid of the excess water. Prepare all the chicken wings like this. Now take that onto a plate and drizzle some vegetable oil and coat all the chicken pieces with it. Now take a Ziploc bag and place all the chicken pieces inside. Now you can do this process in a bowl as well. Now for the coating, take some all-purpose flour, mix it with some red chili powder, salt, pepper powder and some garlic powder. Now take the Ziploc bag with the chicken and add in all these mixed spices. Now zip it and shake the bag really well so that all the chicken pieces will get well coated with the mixed spices. You can see how beautifully it got coated with all the spices. Now keep it aside for some time. Now heat some oil in a pan and you can check the heat of the oil by inserting a skewer or any wooden spoon, and when you can see the bubbles around the skewer, that means the oil is perfectly heated up to fry the chicken. Now place these chicken pieces into the oil and you should maintain the heat from medium to low. Fry these chicken pieces from both the sides until the color changes to a golden brown shade. Now once it is fried, take that onto a kitchen towel. Now let's make the star of this recipe, that is the sauce. For that you need to melt some butter. Now into this melted butter, add in half a cup of hot chili sauce or any of your favorite hot sauce, followed by some sugar. And once the butter and sauce is well mixed up, toss in some pepper powder and mix it. There you go, our sauce is also ready. Now drizzle the sauce on top of the fried chicken pieces and toss it. fried chicken coated and tossed in hot and juicy sauce. This is just amazingly finger-licking recipe. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Greypot. Do check it out. Thank you.